In order to find out who my demographic is and what their needs are based on the production of my music video and print products, I used a website called SurveyMonkey to create a survey. To start off, I clicked on Start from Scratch and I named the survey R&B Production and selected demographics, and I clicked on Create Survey. After this, I started by writing the first question on a multiple choice layout. As you can see here, we've got a question 1, Q1. So the question I asked was, which colour scheme would attract you the most in an R&B music video? I'm specifying music video. So in order to make this specific, you can also select the word and select bold or underline it, or even make it italic, depending on what you like and how you want to present it. I'm going to be using the normal one in bold. You can also change text color. As you can see, you have different colors, and then underneath, as you can see, you can give multiple choice answers. So I put dark colors with intelligent lights, and bright colors, and finally simplistic colors. This is because giving a range of answers allows my audience to pick their favorite one. So because there is a last one here and I didn't want it, I could delete it by pressing on delete this choice, which is this icon here, the minus icon. Or to add more, you can just press on the add another choice, which is this one here, a plus button. So to save this, I pressed save. As you can see, underneath there is a new question button. You can click on that and it gives you question 2, where it gives you an option where you can put your question 2. So in this one, I'm going to be asking, is it important for you to see the main artist within the music video? Again, it's a music video question. So I'm going to underline or make it bold either. Music video. So here again, I'm using the multiple choice one, and simply I'm going to be adding yes and no. And save. So instead of clicking the button done, you can custom that, and you can change it perhaps to finish. So if you click on edit, you can change it to finish, or even a different word such as next. In this case, I used finish, and I saved it so that at the end of the questionnaire, my demographic could press finish to know that they've finished all the questions. So instead of clicking the button add a new question, which is this one here, you can also drag out the options on the left depending on what you like the most or what's more comfortable with you. So on here we've got on here we have recommended questions. You have the star rating drop down box and you can just drag it instead of putting new question. Also you can change the theme. I changed it to ocean because I liked these colours, very appealing. But depending on what you want to do and what the questionnaire is about, you can make it very personal. So obviously a questionnaire is based on many questions. I'm only showing 2 questions, but I'm going to be doing another 8. So if I click onto next, so once you have finished, you can preview your questionnaire to see what it looks like to your audience. And once you've got all your responses, once you have finished your questionnaire, you can share it with your friends, family, and the people that you want to answer your questionnaire, so your demographic depending on their age, etc. So I posted mine on social media on Facebook because this was good. This was a good way of getting a mass of answers in a short period of time, which enabled me then to go further within my research as well as gaining a better representation. But you can also buy responses or embed your response on a different website, such as Twitter, Instagram, or wherever you like, depending on where you've got the better access to, or where you've got more followers, and etc. etc. Also, you can set it by email and add data manually. In this case, I'm going to be adding data manually just to show you how you can then analyze your data. So here you can analyze your data. When you've got more responses, you can compare them and see what people liked and what their preferences were, and see what is the highest percentage and statistic in order to then apply it into your product. So this is how you use SurveyMonkey, and this is the end of my video.